Hello, good day, second Monday, and in front of us is a very simple Python code. If you run it, you see next one the negative 0, 0, 1 positive. Then you may think it's perfect, right? And everything seems perfect. If the number is greater than 0, you return positive, 0, negative. Then you may have think that you will get 100 um, points in the grading for the peeling, but no. There's a comment though on the line 6, unnecessary elif after return. This means that these are actually, because Python depends a lot of indentation, so that it should always try your best not to indent. Otherwise, it would be, if the code become more complex, with the indentation to go deeper and deeper, and it's very hard uh, to track any error. So we should avoid elif as far as possible. In this case, because it after return, no point to have elif here. Just put it if. In the same token, there's no need to have any else. That would be much simpler now. And you want the same result, negative 1, negative 0, positive, and make it more numbers. Say the logic is correct. Okay. Yeah, the logic is correct. So in this case, we check again the pilot. Now I got 100. I got 10 marks. Okay. So in brief, it's very simple that you should avoid using elif as far as possible. Also the else. There's no elif, no else, and when the code after testing for some condition, then you may finally have the first indentation. It won't go deeper and deeper into the depth, into, yeah. I mean that you don't have too much of the indentation, too many of them. It always make it clear that this one, and that's why the Python would teach you have to avoid this kind of not so good, not so perfect in the coding. Okay, thank you for listening to my sharing of experience in Python, developed in Emacs environment, and hope to talk to you again some time later. Thank you.